Harley Davidson. Over 120 years of passion and innovation. Since 1903, Harley has crafted thousands of motorcycles, each marked by a spirit of freedom that has inspired many of us. But Harley is more than just bikes. It's a community, a brotherhood that gathers to celebrate this shared passion. Welcome to the Harley Days. One of the largest motorcycle gatherings in France, where enthusiasts meet and create unforgettable memories. This year also featured the King of the Track contest. This event showcases the creative talent of dealers as they create a unique bike that reflects the spirit of their dealership. Thank you for all these moments. Harley Bordeaux and Agen were thrilled to participate in the King of the Track, as well as the Harley Days. We are proud to perpetuate this passion for the incredible brand that is Harley Davidson. Live the legend. Ride with us.